Okay, so we're going to look at a couple of pairs of examples here. I'm going to do these two on the left-hand side, and then you are going to have a look at the ones on the right-hand side. So this one says round 376 to the nearest 10. So it's either going to go up to 380 or it's going to go down to 370, and the way we decide is we look at this 6 on the end. The 6 tells me that this one has to go up. It's closer to 380 than it is to 370. So my answer is going to be 380. This one here, round 376 to the nearest 100. Now this time it's in between 300 and 400. So this is the digit we need to look at, the 7 this time. The 7 again is bigger than 5, or it's 5 or bigger. So we're going to have to round up. So the closest 100 to 376 is 400. 400 is my nearest 100 for that one. I'd like you to have a look at the two on the right-hand side. So just pause the video at this. Pause the video at this point and have a go at those two. Okay, we're back. Hopefully we've got a couple of answers there. Let's see if you agree with my answers. So 468 to the nearest 10. So it's bigger than 460, but it's smaller than 470. Which is it closest to? We look at this 8. That tells me I'm rounding up. 468 rounds up to 470. So 470 is my answer for that first one. 468, same number rounded to the nearest 100. Which hundreds is it in between? It's in between 400 and 500, isn't it? The 6 this time tells me that I need to round up again, because 6 is bigger than 5. 468 is going to round up to 500. That is the 100 that it's closest to. It's closer to 500 than it is to 400. Okay, I'd like you to have a look at the next slide. There are some practice questions to have a look at. You don't need to answer all of them, but on the slide after that there are some answers, so you can have a look at the questions, check your answers against those, and make sure that we have got the hang of this. If you don't, you can ask me a question on Google Classroom, and I will do my best to sort that out for you. Okay, thank you.